Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change controls in Super Mario Galaxy 1 and 2. I show you guys how to do it. Open the game, select the last option, and now select the emulation and select the configure and select the controls option. You just need to check my video description for this text. These are the things, movement, actions and keys that you use to play the game. For movements, you just need to use WASD that to move Mario in any direction. Press F to sprint or run faster and hold shift to control movement speed. The camera is mapped IJKL and use them to look around. Just press the G key to reset or center the camera. It's simple setup and feels smooth once you get used to it. If you want to change one of these settings, you just need to click on the key icon over here, select any press in any keyboard that you want to remap it. I'm gonna map this to R key. As you can see, it has been changed. Same thing you just need to do for the things you need to change. Just click on it and press the key that you want to change and click on OK and it will be saved, guys. And if you made any mistake, then you just need to select the defaults option. I'm gonna making mistake and select the defaults option and it's all gonna be back to default, guys. And click on OK and you back to normal, no problem at all. Don't forget to like, guys. Thank you.